first question, girls. I will ask this to all of you. What have you been up to recently? Let's ask Shiori first. Thank you, Shiori. What about FUWAMOCO?
FUWAMOCO, we've been doing lots of howling and bowing, and most importantly, protecting smiles. Too.
Okay. You know what? This is not really what you're doing recently, but what you were doing right before the stream fascinated me. These girls would like mute themselves and go warm up, and I would just see them move like. Wow. So, have you told your viewers that you warm up before every stream?
Have we? Well, it's very loud. The Ruffians know that we like to howl a lot. Yeah. Of course, before we're gonna howl all together, we're gonna howl a bit beforehand too. How warm up,
Can you give us an example of your warm-ups?
Okay. Mokoko, I'll do one. Okay. Yeah. Like that.
Join us in!
Like that.
Oh, so okay, like kind of like warm up for your voices to get louder. Move. All right, that's very professional. School.